To clear data on Gmail, first open the Gmail app or visit gmail.com. In Gmail, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting See All Settings. If you're using a browser, clearing cache and cookies will help clear data. Go to your browser settings, select Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. In Gmail, you can also delete unnecessary search history by clicking on the down arrow in the search bar and selecting Manage Search History. To clear emails, simply select the emails you want to delete and click the trash bin icon. You can also empty the trash folder to permanently delete emails. Finally, if you no longer need any linked accounts, go to Account Settings and remove them.